Ja, vi landade där.
Kör tåg så det.
Oh, I did.
Very so good.
Jag är extra fel.
Oh my.
Har du redan typ? Ja, vi ska vinna den här. No, why? What do you mean? För det... Kan man leva sitt...
Man måste ha det kondition.
I'm like £5. I'm like £6.
Guys, I know how to play it. Play that machine.
Bro, you don't have half. Speak your mum's house.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get it to that Subway, and back when I was rapping for the hell of it. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe, yo, maybe I go back to the days.
But it's just like the politics
that we go
One the kebab.
and back when ain't nobody listen to my mixtape. And back before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is Motivator, what's up, Bobby Ray? So can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the music that started this shit? So here I stand, and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars?
Come in, don't die.
I can really use a wish right now, wish right now.
No, oh my god.
You win this.
Pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish
Look back.
right now.
Come, bro. On God, someone's gonna end up running on this ground. Yes, this ground.